Your landing page needs to be more successful. Here are 5 ways to stop it failing fast. First, stop cluttering up the first thing that people see when they get to your landing page. You want a bold call to action, a way for people to take that action, and you need information about how that action is going to benefit people. We don't really care about the rest of it. As long as it looks nice and it has those pieces of information, you'll have more success. We don't need to have 100 different pieces of conflicting information or ways to draw people's attention here, there, and everywhere. It's not going to help you. Stick to it being clean and direct. Next, speak about the benefits. Speak about why people should sign up. Keep it bold, succinct, and to the point, but you should always be thinking about the benefit. Why somebody needs to take that action. Not what they can do or what you want them to do, but what the benefit is to them of taking that action. That's what's going to get people to sign up. So put yourself in your customer's shoes, get in their mindset, and work out what the benefit is that you're offering, and lead with that. Now, not all of us are developers or web designers. It's just not who we are, myself included. So don't waste time trying to learn, don't waste money trying to pay somebody else to do it. You can get really great drag and drop builders. I will leave links for SeedProd down in the top pinned comment and in the description, where you're going to be able to try it for free, or if you want to go all out, there is a pro version. But drag and drop builder is your best friend. Why should I take action now? That is what you need to be asking. Why should your customer take action now? Because that's what you want. You want them to come to your landing page and to immediately take action. Because if they leave and they go to a different page, they might not ever come back. So you want that action immediately. So make it feel urgent. The whole thing needs to feel like it should happen right now. There's multiple ways we can do that, from the text to limited time offers to countdown timers, but think the whole time about how you're going to make somebody feel like they have to take that action immediately. Is your offer so good that it has to be done right now? Or have you just got it for a limited time and that they don't want to miss out? And finally, nobody cares about your brand. They just don't. It's a fact. They don't care about your brand, so stop telling them about your brand. Tell them about the benefit to them that we spoke about earlier, and stop doing whole pieces on your brand and who it is and where it was founded and big logos everywhere. Nobody cares, and that's okay. But if you want to see me go into a little bit more detail on that and how you can really refine that presentation, you can click on that video right there.